Ooh, hello. What day is it today? Feels like Friday, but it's not. This is the beginnings of my roof going in. Oh, it smells lovely of pine. There's a bloody great big gap of daylight up there. Anyway, I've been a right old whingy bastard today. Oh my God. Started off the day telling off one of the builders because he keeps drawing on my fucking wooden table and scratching it. So I lost my shit at him. So I've got a bit of a tension headache. I've just finished work, but it's looking good. Hans started to paint the colour on of the beams, but he confessed that in this room it's slightly lighter. You can barely tell, but this is the TV room / mezzanine bedroom up there. There are the Veluxes waiting to go in as well. And the Velux windows will be third panel along. So here and here. I can't actually focus very well because it's quite dark. So yeah, apart from me being a pissed off, grumpy old bag for most of the day, they've made some good progress. And we actually spoke about how, I wonder if he's cleaned it. Oh, he has. Hallelujah. All it took was me shouting and waving a bit of sandpaper and a scrubbing brush in his face, and he actually fucking did it. Stupid man. Anyway, I lost my shit in front of 5 of them this morning. Everybody stood around not knowing what to do, but it needed to be said because I'm not cleaning up after them every time he gets bored and wants to draw in pencil on my property. I told the boss about it the other week, last week, and he did nothing. So when I came back downstairs to get my coffee this morning, I had the little torch on because it was like 6:30 and dark. And he literally, lunch break yesterday, drew over probably about a quarter of the surface of that fucking table. Anyway, let's stop swearing and moaning. This is what the house looks like from the outside. So it rained a bit last night. They've covered it with partial bits of sheeting tonight. This is going to be the tricky bit, this corner where this roof coming down here meets the new roof here. So this apparently is going to be a wee bit higher, which is fine because I want to put trellises all the way across. So I'm standing on the road at the moment. You can see straight over onto my terrace. So I want to screen all this off. And so we talked about the quality of this wall is obviously pretty shit. So that'll be slightly higher, and then there'll be a concrete section across the top, which apparently will make it a lot easier for me to screw in trellises, because there's a lot of high winds blowing up around here, especially over winter, and I don't want them to blow off. So yeah, for some reason I thought this would be a bit higher. You can see where the old wall was and the top of the roof. I suppose it will be once they've put on whatever other layers they're going to put on. But this is the section of, this is gypsum and then foam and then some sort of plyboard. There's Tiny going for a walk at the end. So yeah, that's the beginnings of a pretty solid wall. And you can see where they've put the rebar in. Chickens are kicking off. So the rebar there's going to be concrete around there, and then there'll be a fancy edge and the tiles and everything else. So yeah, I think there's a few more layers to go on, but obviously this wall is, I would suggest it needs being rebuilt, but we'll see. They might just clad it in some more stones. You be careful, young lady. That's Bella. That's the top of my gas boiler. Sorry, the gas heater. There's the gas tank. So the cats are like running around all on here, and this is all wobbly. Health and safety tiny. So yeah, so I think, so this is going to be the main entrance, kind of coming out here, be about 2 meters high, which is somewhere about that level. There'll be some kind of beam coming across this way, and then they've got to figure out the jiggery pokery to get this corner right. But what do you think, love? Are you enjoying the new roof? I think Bella might be around the other side. All right, bud, let's go and put the birds to bed. And I'm going to go off in an hour or two and meet my friend for dinner, because I am sick of the sight of this fucking house. Yeah, that's it. Happy new roof when it finally all gets finished. When I finally get the bill. Oof, that's another thing to think about. Anyway, right, I'm going to go and see the birds. See you later.